Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions that is find the 5 series up to and done in Java. So how to solve this 5 series and what is the 5 series? So first of all, to solve these problems, what we have are we need some variables. First one is int first is equal to 0. Int second is equal to 1. Int next is equal to 0. Int and equals to 10. These are the variables we need. First refers to the 0, means it will be starting from the 0. Int second, it will be the next term of 1. And the next is a stand for the changing the variables from first to second, second to next. What actually it works, let's suppose here we have a first iteration. So first iteration, what will happen in the for loop? Next is equal to first plus second. So next is our variables, which is initialized with 0. With the help of these variables, we have to perform the 516 series. So first plus second means the first we have a 0 and second we have a 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So this 1 is a next variables have the 1 in the next variables. And then first is equal to second. When we are doing this, first is equal to second means inside of seconds, but we have a 1. That 1 is inside of seconds. It will be coming to the first. So 1 inside of first. Then inside of then what we are doing, second is equal to next. What we have in the second now, next means the value of inside the next. We have a 1. So inside of second, what we have 1. In the next situations, what we have of next is here 1 now. That one is next is equal to first plus second. So first what we have here 1 and the second what we have 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 is the value of the next. Then first is equal to second means what is the value of the inside of first is 1. So it will come inside the first is a 1. Then second is equal to next. So as you can see here next what we have a 2. That 2 is coming inside the second. Just changing the values to sum of your 5 or 6 series from the 10. Then third iterations, same thing is happening. Next is equal to first plus second. As you can see here, the second iteration what we have inside of first 1, inside of second what we have 2. So here 1 plus 2. As you can see here 1 plus 2. What we're getting 3. 3 is the value of the next. Uh, then first is equal to second. So what is the value inside of second is currently is a 2. 2 is there, na? Second is equal to next is equal to 2. So inside of second, what we have 2. So it will be coming inside of first. So first becomes the 2. Then second is equal to next. So what we have inside of next 3 now. That 3 is coming inside of second. The fourth iteration, next things happen. Next is equal to first plus second. So what we have a first 2 and the second what we have 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And this is the value of the next in the fourth iteration. Then again change the values. First is equal to second. So second what we have 3 now. That 3 is coming inside the first. Then second is equal to next. So next what we have 5. That 5 is coming inside the second. This is the way of the Fibonacci series is working. How to implement this in the our program? So let's go to the Eclipse and implement this program. Okay, uh, this is our class 516 series, printing the values from the n. Okay, so let's take first of all uh, main method. Side of main method, neither int n is equal to 10. Okay, I want to the 516 series from the until the 10. Then to do that, int first, first, first is equal to 0. Then int second is equal to 1, 0 and 1. After this, let's take this is out. Let's take 5 and 6 series FIBO and A double CCI 5 and 6 series, and then bring the N here plus N, okay, plus term and term. So until the N. After this, you need a for loop. Start a for loop where to start int I is equal to 1, because as you can see here, first is equal to 0 and second is equal to 1. It is already defined here. That is why it will be starting from the 1. Then I less than is equal to n I plus plus. So inside of for loop, the logic is just simple logic. Just take the int next. What are the changing the our variables? The first plus second. So it will be getting sum of your number of first plus seconds. That means 0 plus 1. Then again, the changing the values, that 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Inside of next, what we have 1 in the first iterations. Okay. Then same time, what you need to do, first is equal to second. So currently, what is the value inside of second? It is a 1. So inside of first, what will become is a, so it will be coming here a 1. Okay. Then second, what you need to, second is now is empty. Don't have any values in the second. So what you need to do, second have to assign the values of the next. Next. So next what we have, first plus 1 is 1. So inside of second, what is coming is 1. The next time it will be coming in the, again it will be changing by the values. After this, second is equal to next now. Yeah, it will done now. Our program is done. Let's run this program. See, uh, let me. Okay, so you can see here we are not getting the values because we were not printing the values till now. So sys out type first plus space. So let's run this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34 is sum of your 5 and 6 series. So here you can just print instead of println 3, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. See, our program is working fine. Basically just swapping the values from one variable to another, and is also at the same time we were doing the sum as well, first plus second. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.